Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to check second-hand iPhone before buying. There are 5 things we must keep in mind when buying a second-hand iPhone. The first thing you need to do when buying a second-hand iPhone is to take the phone in hand and verify it immediately. You must have an internet connection to verify, be it the phone's internet or Wi-Fi. After connecting to the internet, go to the phone's web browser and search here by typing Apple Checker. When you search by typing Apple Checker, first you have to click on the Service and Support Coverage to check the site that will come up. After clicking on the site, you will see an option to enter your serial number. Enter the serial number here. You have to go to Settings to enter the serial number. Click on General. Click on About. You have to copy the serial number given here. After copying the serial number, you have to go back to the previous site. Then you have to paste the copied serial number here. Enter the CAPTCHA code below. Click Continue. After continuing, I can see the model of the phone, the serial number I have given and the valid purchase date. The phone is original, can be purchased as second hand. If the phone is not original, then when you go to check Apple Checker on this website, the information will not show. Now we will look at two things together. One is the condition of the phone according to the model number and the country according to the model number of the phone. First, we will see the condition of the phone. Go to Settings. Click on General. Click on About. Once we go to About, we will see the model number. The model number starts with M. If any model number starts with M, then this phone of yours is brand new. The phone has been sold in an authorized manner. If the model you are going to buy and starts with N, then you have to assume that the phone is replacement device product from Apple. This means that the person who was using this phone had a problem with this phone and he submitted it to Apple and Apple changed it and gave him another phone. That's why it's a replacement phone. Again, if there is no M or N but it starts with F, then the phone you are buying is a refurbished phone. So, there was a problem with this phone, which could be the camera or the display, or there was some other problem. It was in customer care and was fixed from customer care, so it started with F. Some phones can start with P. If start with P, then you have to understand that this is a personalized phone from Apple. The second things we will know is that by looking at the 3 letters at the end of the model number. We can understand which country this phone belongs to. The last model of the phone in my hand is ZP/A. My phone is from Hong Kong. If you want to see which country the phone is made in, you can go there by giving a link to the website in our video description. Now we will talk about topic number 4. Now we will talk about the display of the phone. One thing to keep in mind is that if the display of the phone is changed, then two things of the iPhone do not work. One is Face ID, the other is True Tone. After going to the control center of the iPhone, you will see brightness option. If you long press on the brightness, you will see 3 options below, where True Tone is seen. If the display of the phone is changed, then this True Tone option is not available. The iPhone will not have the Face ID options when you go to settings. The 5th issue is the battery health of the iPhone. We need to go to settings to check battery health. Click on battery. Click on battery health. Here we can see the percentage of battery health of the phone. If the battery health is below 75%, then it would be better not to buy the phone as a second hand. I hope that after watching this video you have understood at least a few things that you have to buy a second hand phone. So this was today's video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.